Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Imalesh Rao from Informatica GCS, and in this video we are going to see how to create Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL connection for CDQ in IACS. And today's agenda will be overview of Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL and the prerequisites required for the connection and the installation of JDBC driver and the properties required to create the connection and a sample connection for your reference. So, Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL is a fully managed relational database service offered by AWS, and it is compatible with PostgreSQL, which means application which work with PostgreSQL can also work with Aurora PostgreSQL without any modifications. And you can configure this Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL to communicate between cloud data quality and the Aurora PostgreSQL database. To configure this Aurora SQL connection, you must install and configure the PostgreSQL JDBC driver in the agent machines. And the prerequisites for this connection are: to access an Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL source object, you must create a Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL connection using JDBC or JDBC v2 connection. Okay, and in this video, we are going to see how to create a JDBC connection for the Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL. So to configure Aurora PostgreSQL connection, you need to install the PostgreSQL JDBC driver to get the metadata access from the database, and metadata access is necessary to run the mappings in the CDQ, and ensure that both the PostgreSQL JDBC drivers are compatible with the version of Aurora PostgreSQL instance which you are having. After configuring the JDBC drivers in the secure agent, you need to restart the secure agent. Let's see how to install the PostgreSQL JDBC driver in the agent machine. So you need to go to the particular website mentioned in the slide, and you can download the PostgreSQL JDBC driver. For Windows machine, you can download the .zip file and .tar file for the Linux system. And if when you extract the zip file or the tar file, you will get the jar file named PostgreSQL 42.7.3, and you need to copy this particular Postgre jar file to the secure agent directory, where it depends on either Windows or Linux. For Windows machine, you need to go to the installation directory, apps, data integration service, ext drivers. And similarly for Linux systems, you can go to the same installation directory, apps, data integration server, ext and drivers. Before you paste this particular jar file in the location, make sure you delete all the other older PostgreSQL JDBC drivers if you have any, and delete them, and then replace them with this. Okay. And to create a connection, you need some details of the schema, right? So to create a connection, you need to have the JDBC URL, the username of the schema, and the password for the same. Okay, when you set up an Amazon PostgreSQL connection, you can use the below JDBC URL stating JDBC colon PostgreSQL colon and Amazon host PostgreSQL host colon port number and a slash, which followed by the database name. Okay, and this is a sample creation for your reference, and you can here you can see the connection name and type as JDBC. Here you need to give the runtime environment where the secure agent is present, the username, password, and the connection URL which we discussed on the last slide, and the JDBC driver name which we downloaded from the vendor website. And under JDBC, the path where we place the jar file, and you can create the connection from it. Yeah, and these are the references for creating the connection, and you can refer to the product documentations for more details on the Amazon or PostgreSQL connection. Yeah, and we would love to hear from you. And please reach out to us on supportvideos@informatica.com, and you can tweet us at the handle, the below handle. Thank you.